Hello, everyone. This is Don Cooper. I'm the CEO of Innovator Industrial Services, and I'm your host today on this API 653 new repair methods webinar.
So the qualification testing for using a composite would be similar to those qualification tests found in ASME PCC2, as well as ISO 24817 and ABSA AB 539. So the short-term spool survival test means that the composite can handle the strength contribution to restore the steel loss from corrosion. So we take a pipe, we mill it down 80% of its wall thickness, we pressurize it to maximum allowable operating pressure, and the repair system cannot fail in the region that has the corrosion. In addition, through-wall testing is important. So determining how your composite will behave on a steel plate as opposed to a pipe, so that we can get true values of how this material should be designed to solve through-wall defects in a tank. As you can see, holes that are small, typically carbon fiber, like the tank wrap system, can handle, up to 4,000 PSI. If it's a larger hole, of course, that would be less. And these are very high pressure. So when we're looking at tanks, the hydrostatic pressure is very low. So we have a lot of conservatism in the design whenever we're handling through-wall defects or corrosion.